BJ just sent me a message. He's on his way over here, and I think he got something. Should be interesting. Guilty. He's guilty of something.
He's guilty of everything.
Look what BJ got. Well, there's the answer to what you're gonna get. Oh, no wonder, BJ Law.
Yep. Airbox all unhooked. I didn't even try turning it over. Don't even care.
Did you buy something new?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're looking at it.
Yeah, it's funny like
That
how
is-
far back the pumps are set on these.
It is in good shape.
Oh, it's an old Sea-Doo.
Yeah, 95. I think.
You guys should get like purple.
Yeah. So I just went and picked it up. I've been like, it's been a year trying to buy this.
Oh,
from this
really?
guy. Yeah.
Weren't you just talking to Joel about trying to offload some of your stuff?
Yeah, but I bought the other one to sell.
Oh.
Like it was bought. Just to
I
make
was
money.
telling her about how you were considering selling like your Passat. And
Oh yeah, all that stuff. VTS works.
She's not that filled. Yes.
Is it?
No, that's oil.
Yeah, so that's that back cylinder. Grab a cloth or something.
It's not enough to lock it though. I would.
No, but I'll give it another couple cranks here. Just to... New freshies in.
Foul them up real quick.
That's what they're for.
Wang da dang 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 da dang rattle 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 blah 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 blah.
Backfiring. Okay. Choke actually holds out.
Ooh.
Oof, motor mounts are toast. Motor's loose in the hull. So I gotta come out.
He sold you a lemon.
Sold me a lemon. He probably didn't even know.
No. A lot. Should go.
Oh, it's the motor where it bolts to the motor plate.
Oh, it is too. Okay. the starter button? Yeah.
No.
Oh, okay. I thought you were. So
No,
I
no, that was
juice
just-
in it. It's gonna go. Oh.
Yeah, I need to do all the fuel lines in it anyway.
Yeah.
Because it's got the gray ones that heat themselves. Can't do everything. I want to get a slow motion one so I can like go back and get the smoke like pouring out of it. Smoky already.
Yeah. So that was totally unexpected. BJ sent me a text message asking me if I was home and then told me that he was on his way over, and I had the feeling that he had purchased something. He's always wanted an XP and now he has one. Added to the horde, he's now got an X2, an XP, a Wave Jammer, and an RXT. He will be selling the RXT, but as of now he has 4 jet skis and I only have 1. So sad. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.